G'day guys, Morgan Jones here from Business Insurance Group, and today I'm going to answer probably the question that I get asked the most when I'm telling people that I work in insurance, and that's, why does my insurance go up every year? And the answer to that's probably a little bit more complicated than you might think, but the answer really is that it shouldn't. If you keep all things the same in your insurance, then it really should follow a cyclical cycle that follows the market. Now, let me just stop for a second there. Some people ask the question, why does my insurance go up every year, when they're acquiring more property, they're insuring more things, their turnover is growing, the business is growing, and they wonder why the insurance is going up. Well, that's a bit of a no-brainer. The risk for the insurer is increasing as the business gets bigger, as you have more stuff that you're insuring, and therefore the premiums get more expensive. So that's a pretty simple explanation. But if you're living in a vacuum and you have a business that stays exactly the same year to year with no changes, and the premium's just consistently going up and up and up year on year over, say, a 10-year cycle, then someone's probably not doing their due diligence, and that someone might be you, or it might be the broker who's looking after you. Because we'll see that premiums will follow an uptrend as the market hardens, as they call it, and then we'll see premiums come down again as the market softens. And there's a whole bunch of different factors that cause that, one of which being when you go through a period where there's not many natural disasters or there's not many large-scale liability issues and the insurers are making plenty of money, the premiums get really, really cheap for a while there, and then all of a sudden a natural disaster hits and they've not been taking the right amount of premium for the risks that they've had on board, and then all of a sudden you've got the premiums that are shooting back up. So really, if your insurance is going up every year and you're not changing everything, and it's not going like this up and down over a 10-year period or a 5-year period, then you should probably ask some questions, speak to a broker like us, figure out what's happening, what's been happening over the years, and then see what other options are out there for you. So that's something to check out.